morning to all of you. My name is Pravjot Singh, and as you have already seen the working demonstration of my I2C project, in which I have used a BH1750 light sensor and defined its various light capacities, or you can say quantity, into subgroups like darker or lighter or more brighter, etc., which I am gonna explain you. So let's come to its basic structure. So it's just simple. I have connected the ground pin of my BH1750 to the pin number 6 here, and the VCC here, and the two I2C pins, which are SG and SCL. I have connected them here. It's basic, nothing else. So let's come to the code. Here I have imported the SMBus and time. SMBus is a library which is essential to make your I2C communication work. And now then I have made a variable device which I have given the basic address, which is default address of I2C device, which I will use later. And here are powered and power on. These are some basics, and then here is very essential thing, one time high res mode 1, which basically means that I have measured this whole quantity of light into lux resolution, which will define it later. And now I have loaded the bus is equal to sm.smbus1, which is just a library loaded in an object. Then I have made a convert to number, in which the data coming from the sensor is like, it's a 2-byte data, okay, and it is converted into decimal number so that it can be displayed into the lux form. Here I have done the categories which was required in the task sheet. So I have done 4 categories, like 5. One is too dark, which is less than 10 lux, then the darker, which is more than 10, then 100, which is medium, then more than 500 is bright, and more than 1000 too bright, as you have previously seen in the demonstration. Then read light does what? Read light takes that 2-byte data which I was talking about earlier, takes that data from the sensor, like data is equal to bus dot read I2C block. It's a function which gathers data from this address. This address is device, which I was talking about here, device address. So then light level, it is converted. Here the convert to number is used, and hence the lux data is returned by this function. Here comes the main function where that light level was returned, and light level is equal to read light, as this function is used, and it will return the lux value of that light. Then the category will define that what category that light value belongs to, and then the print will print all the things like what the light level is, what is the lux value, and everything. This all will occur for like half a second, and it will update after half a second and half a second. And at last this is a like a formality that this is only to be executed when it is run directly, that sometimes they load it as a module, then it will not run. So that's all. I hope you all understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.